Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 8. Write 25 questions and answers like this and say them. Examples of questions to ask. Did you watch TV last night? Did you complete your homework yesterday? Did you eat breakfast this morning? Did you visit your grandparents last weekend? Did you play any sports last week? Answering the questions. Encourage students to respond with complete sentences, e.g. Yes, I did. I watched a movie. No, I didn't. I was too busy. Answer. Here are 25 did questions with answers for English practice. Did you go to the market yesterday? Yes, I did. I went to buy groceries. Did you study for your exams last night? No, I didn't. I was feeling tired. Did you call your friend on the weekend? Yes, I did. We talked for an hour. Did you help your parents with housework? Yes, I did. I cleaned my room. Did you read a book yesterday? No, I didn't. I watched TV instead. Did you attend the school event last week? Yes, I did. It was so much fun. Did you learn anything new at school? Yes, I did. I learned about the solar system. Did you bake a cake on your birthday? No, I didn't. My mom baked it for me. Did you visit a park recently? Yes, I did. I went there with my cousins. Did you complete your drawing assignment? Yes, I did. I submitted it on time. Did you listen to music yesterday? No, I didn't. I was busy with my homework. Did you play video games last evening? Yes, I did. I played for an hour. Did you eat ice cream last weekend? Yes, I did. It was delicious. Did you see the sunset yesterday? No, I didn't. I was inside the house. Did you write in your diary last night? Yes, I did. I wrote about my day. Did you visit your uncle's house during the holidays? No, I didn't. We stayed at home. Did you clean your study table yesterday? Yes, I did. It looks neat now. Did you buy any gifts for your friend's birthday? Yes, I did. I bought a nice watch. Did you play cricket in the morning? No, I didn't. It was raining. Did you plant any trees on Earth Day? Yes, I did. I planted a mango tree. Did you watch the news yesterday? No, I didn't. I was busy reading a book. Did you bring your lunch to school today? Yes, I did. My mom packed it for me. Did you attend your cousin's wedding last month? Yes, I did. It was a grand celebration. Did you paint anything last week? No, I didn't. I was focused on my studies. Did you solve the math problems in class? Yes, I did. They were challenging but fun. These questions and answers provide great practice for students to improve their fluency and confidence in using the simple past tense. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.